Get ready to experience audio bliss. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the incredible Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones. These aren't just any headphones. They boast industry-leading noise cancellation that will truly silence your world, letting you focus purely on your music or calls. Imagine 30 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, perfect for long flights, workdays, or endless study sessions without worrying about power. That means less charging and more enjoying your favorite tunes, podcasts, or audiobooks wherever you are. And for seamless multitasking, the multi-point connection lets you effortlessly switch between two devices, like your laptop and phone, without repairing. No more fumbling when a call comes in while you're watching a video. It just works, making your tech life so much smoother. What truly sets the XM5 apart is this combination of unparalleled quiet, marathon battery life, and smart connectivity, all wrapped in a sleek, super comfortable design. If you're searching for the ultimate upgrade for your listening experience, these are absolutely worth considering, especially if top-tier noise cancellation is your priority. Ready to elevate your sound? Find the best deals and check out all the specs via the Amazon link in the description below. In 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 remains an absolute powerhouse, delivering an unbeatable audio journey that we wholeheartedly recommend.